Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to reset Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. We start by scrolling the Galaxy screen down to see the shortcuts. Here we will search and click on the settings icon. Then within this list, click on the general option. After that, we will click on the reset option. We will see below a warning of what it means to eliminate all the contents of the watch. To confirm, tap Reset again. After this, the Galaxy Watch will start the reset process by deleting all the data associated with it. This process may take a few minutes. When finished, we will see that the Galaxy Watch starts as for the first time, and it will be necessary to start the pairing process again. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.